Are you ready to turn your passion for photography or videography into a profitable side hustle? Imagine earning $3.83 to $64.22 for each video you upload that gets downloaded, or 25 cents to $33.82 for every photo. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the complete steps to sign up and become a contributor on Depositphotos. Welcome to Depositphotos, your gateway to turning creativity into income. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the complete steps to sign up and become a contributor on Depositphotos so you can start selling your videos, photos, or whatever else you want to share with the world. To get started, visit the Depositphotos site. You can find the link in the description or in the comments section below. Once you're on the site, scroll to the bottom of the page. In the Depositphotos section, click on Become a Contributor. This will open a new tab that takes you to the contributor section on Depositphotos. Here on the top of the homepage, click on Become a Contributor. In this section, you will enter your user login details. Enter your username. This will be your portfolio username on Depositphotos. Enter your account password and confirm it by entering it again in the field provided. Enter your email here. Now, let's move on to the contact information section. Here, you must provide accurate information, as in the next step, you will need to submit a government-issued ID to verify your identity before you can start selling your content in the marketplace. Enter your real name here, and your last name. Enter your address here. Enter your city. Enter your state or province here. Enter your postal code. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Select your country code from the drop-down menu. Then enter your phone number here. After filling in all the information, click on Sign Up here. Here, you will need to submit a sample of your work along with your ID to become a contributor on Depositphotos. If you already have an account, clicking on Become a Contributor will take you directly to this page. First, choose the category in which you will submit your samples, such as videos if you focus on video content, or music if that's your specialty, or images if that's your area as well. First, upload your file by clicking here and selecting your image from your computer, then click Upload. Follow the same steps to upload all 5 images. If you chose any other category, don't worry. This is just for your application. After that, you can sell other types of content as well. Upload your government-issued ID by clicking here and selecting your ID, then click Upload. Additionally, you can provide links to your portfolio on other stock sites here. If you already have portfolio, let's add our Shutterstock portfolio link. I also have a video tutorial on how to become a Shutterstock contributor on my channel that you can watch for guidance. Click Add a link, then paste your portfolio here. Then add a link. Add your portfolio links from other stock sites if you already have content in them, as this will help support your application approval. You can add up to 5 links. Your ID can be a driver's license, passport, or similar document. Please submit it in JPG file format at 800 x 600 pixels, ensuring that both the front and back are included in the same image. Use an ID like this sample, for example only, and for images requirements must be in JPG or PNG format with RGB color space, minimum resolution of 3.8 megapixels. Each image file size must be less than 50 megabytes. After uploading all the images, click on Submit Images for examination to submit your application for review. You will see a message pop up confirming that your submission was successful. Okay. Click on Profile if you want to change or add any information. I hope you found the steps clear and helpful. Don't forget to like this video and follow or subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. After making changes, click Save Information to save your updates. Here, all content that you submit and have approved is available online. Here, all the content you submit that is still under review will be displayed. Here, you will find all the content that you uploaded but have not yet submitted for review. Here, you will find all the content that you submitted and was rejected by the Depositphotos reviewer. Here, you will find all the content that you have deactivated. Here, you will find all the releases you uploaded. From here, you will be able to upload your images after your application has been approved. The final step is to verify your email if you haven't done so yet. Go to your email and open the message from Depositphotos. Then, click on the link to confirm your email with your Depositphotos account. And there you go! You have successfully created your account and submitted your application to become a contributor on Depositphotos. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to become a contributor on Depositphotos. I hope you found the steps clear and helpful. By following this guide, you're now on your way to sharing your creativity with the world and earning from your work. Remember to verify your email and keep an eye on your submissions. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and follow or subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. Good luck, peace.